Abusuafo ma mo nyina akwaba eba Ghana Sem TV GH mesrew like, comment, subscribe, turning on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded to be notified. Abusuafo Ghana pa nie Ghana nie Kwame Nkrumah Ghana nie Jerry John Rawlings Ghana enu nie John Ayɛka Kufuor ni Ghana no enu nie John Evans Atamels ni Ghana enu nie Nana Akufo-Addo ni Ghana no enu nie and GS release statement letter openly they are threatening teachers and threatening headmasters. Ghana Education Service threatening its own employees.
As I'm nice, they were comfortable because we any brass you see. Say
it has never happened before. Ebusham, for one of the avenues available to people to seek redress, demonstration, protest, and that redress available in every democracy. Practice democracy, the citizens are allowed to protest. Say Aban they can hit the street. Just say who hit the street now, you must go by the approved or laid down procedures. Esa trauma police for date and you request police assistance. The police for you letter now say they have the personnel and everything. Now you go out with the demonstration. So you teacher, so you nurse new, so you the wine. The moment you are a citizen of a minor, you have the right to protest. Say that right to protest, no, you are different teachers in them. NDC for no. I don't know mweji. Mwamonem. Teacher for a bimo 14 months. 1 year, 2 months. One Ganampo Aban into they've been going to a Ministry of Education, sitting down, crying, spending the night there. Sometimes a Minister of Education co program be or Kumasia, no more mobilize eco program nasi, eco sumo hosa. Still, it looks as if there is no end in sight. Now, if there is no end in sight, and you will not even allow the people to voice out their frustrations, do you know what you are doing to the people? Do you know where we are heading by that act? We are going to the place where people will be depressed. We are going to the place where suicide, whether attempted suicide or successful suicide, ever goes through. Because many of these teachers are in debt. They are. They borrowed money from people expecting some salary bebana or refund. But there is no way for there is no sign say Aban bet your muka. Now, when you curtail nipano ni right to demonstrate, ebe then nankrofo omudi omuka no be hu say enu kresa Aban di omuka. Enti Aban they will repay their debts. Oh, you catch the Ghana force about to one was so no. Now assembly say na Ayɛka. Who said though we are what democratic country ma NDC for they are using the law in their own favor. They are tweaking the law, bringing Herculean Nebuchadnezzar-like laws. We Ghana ni, ama Ghana ni. Our motherland here. No wonder in our anthem you say, and help us to resist oppressors rule. Sa oppressors no, oppressor no. Esa ye free honefa and help us to resist John Mahama's rule. Oh, ebe ye wa teacher for, ebe ye. You people were ungrateful to Akufo-Addo. So in a way, you deserve whatever is happening to you. My Ayɛka on your behalf, okay? It's nothing. But let's go and listen to Minia Presido Poku But before then, for a person MBA studio or the total cost 25,000 Ghana cedis. What they call dollars my $2,300 US. Kitwa bi so. Mboye na ye why me da munyi na ase. Na ba no screen ase. Now let's go and listen.
As I'm nice, we wake up because we any brass you see. Just say, and this year my own booty chafo, asinya brow musu. Mom say we are call sometimes who parent bit me boo severely. What do you say? A bronet timi winya yanka ube soon. I'm a real singing auntie wonka. Now so you see you come usubi my ever see a buaka home. Nay, say what the show. Aha. Sana end this year by a teacher for, especially newly trained, newly recruited teachers are your former jumem somewhere November 2024. Mobe kaya, sa teachers they've been picketing at the Ministry of Education, on demonstration, our Ghana Education Service, a big Eco Ministry of Finance. Almost a more Kenyan and say, oh my juma, a be 15 months, 16 months, 17 months, you drew mokakurada, your mom wants it that. A bit more high, just 1 month, a bit more 2 months. Just say near chia ne card to walk around, 4 months out of Abia 16 months. Safon. And then Ghana Education Service for actual crata ting. And they are all the directors, regional directors of Ghana Education Service across the country. Now, someone almost kawumuno. Oh, yeah. Victim, we is a teacher for ye, and I say, well, bussy and ye be now on now for be a be a teeny because as if him because and training and this year by a boss a teacher for them. As if him. Nani letter no almost can you and the same. So I teacher for now. Almost sorry, I no more picketing, no more demonstration, no more grantee interview. Ewo media nimunum. It has come to the attention of Ghana Education Service. Now, woman who say, Omutu sahana mono wa bra classes air course and as a classes hours. In the time when I say omo the coach idea no. Na omo the year demonstration. Now almost say sahani ye no. A breachy a year the code of conduct of teachers at Ghana Education Service ewo. Enti regional directors no. Omu hu will be say we tu sahana mo na omu treaty ni pa kone say. Or your absence from duty. She say, won't quite you no more daily with Sandy Park or no. She say, a commoner a dim colano moderator at the end of the here by no. Nipano, a juma why ye for 15 months, 16 months. I Indiana Cadano, in here by no. Ni your code of conduct. Na nipano why ye juma muntianeka. Would nim Ghana ye marapon constitution nature say. Ubeti me aye yechere. Sa Aban ni wudi eya sembia enko yia. Ubeti me aye yechere sa right no ene it's being taken away from a teacher for no. Sa right no ye die free teacher for no. I say wo nim na so obo hu musu. Na so okoye demonstration na. Jale. Just say, and this year buying with them. They are so insensitive. Nipano, untuaneka, or the year from shine and a to Trobento. Now, all come once a month, so can code of conduct in him. Absent from duty, once. Just and letter no near bufu home cry say. Ghana Education Services say, Omombra and your monshi mono. Say we teacher ni. Na say we issue we concern bia. And say we complain or headmaster and I say headmistress. Na headmistress omo no mutuaka. Omo no mutua teacher for ka. Omo headmistress for no mukra Ghana person no. Omo say o catch your headmistress and headmaster na antentama. No escalate ya district office. District officer don't know. Obehunu minister cry na be a minister about betwem on the district. Almost say district office then so anko ya no why escalating the core region. But almost can't you say under no circumstances and say wo ba cry because head office for no Ghana Education Service head office no one they only deal with a regional directors no. Nti we teacher now about no ma. enkwasi asem pani just say ndc aban de efun pa say enkoda ayi omo yamu kire Ghana mebu Ghana enkoda de na muntu omo ka na omo ye kire no they are within their right. In fact, that exercise now omo are that taking guaranteed by the constitution. Mo say mo code of conduct. Inti bibi omo be bia no ebu mra so masa when the catcher say Ghana Education Service code of conduct is superior to the constitution, which grants Ghanaians the right, the liberty to picket and as demonstrate against government over any issue. Chale, baja teacher for nemo pa na mwenya no bi o say yade alawane so yento.
Ghana for me church ya me mamwa chi me mamwa ha me mamwa jo bebia obia wo. Say the whole world ame atia say enkro miensa sebi imunipa ajimi ye Bangladesh ena Ghana ena Sri Lanka na adikuntra ye kasa ne sen ene ya batwo ya yamfanyansa anto ho na me beka mo abakosem kakra tamo na ye mai ye friend Gokus na internationally no anase international world no senia na bebia na Ghana ejina yedi kan enam se asantefo ne abrofo no ne koye British government na nyo ne Ghana na koye ne mo woni Gokus ne koye ne Gokus so na hisiri nyina gina asante so internationally no na Gokus ewudini na ne tosumienu sa gold production no na Gokus time no na the whole world na Ghana and a leading producer of gold internationally no na Ghana number 1 and as no the saying Gokus number 1 ya na se wote Gokus dina na ahonhwa wom na sa time no imuni panyina ne mnyansa na fei yesamba cocoa production so na the whole world na cocoa Ghana na ye leading producer of cocoa Gokus and a leading producer of cocoa internationally no na the whole world nim say anyansafo Gokus you produce gold you produce cocoa the cocoa no so na you produce no yemusa say emfaso ben ene enya no eso se mo beka ya mre bia atwa mo me kan chide mo senia tete kwachi ekofa cocoa no free Fernande Pool ebaye ya wo bae no ansana cocoa ebeye cocoa ama Gokus Aban enya ho mfaso enya sikade esiesie omano eye asantefo participation enam ye population no ntino ebema the whole country anase Gokus nisikasem nyina negina cocoa so enti krachi ni bia sese wote anwemu ya wada sote enkwamu samre cocoa na hwe no ma ne be krachi ni adentra sense na country no anase Gokus no yesikasem nyina ya na ye de chichire o ma no eye cocoa this time no you say backbone of the economy of Gokus na cocoa ndi krachi ni bia wona mo anwem wo sese ene emre Ghana mu no cocoa ene hwe no ma ne be krachi ni Enti Gold Coast time no Yakoban said na asantefo no ene koko mfuo no mebre no ye wo mo dia nti no ema ekoba se ukokumase abrusan a esisi woni nyina no eye won mo a wo mo ehunu nyansa ekodo kokofuo no wo mo a wo man kodo kokofuo no no wo mo ni kumase fie wo ma nya sika amesi kumase fie enti koko no ena se mo kokumase abonten so ana se mo ko ada Ashanti region no a abrusan no amohunu ho nyina no koko ntira ene nkna chichire koko ntira ene siremfo no ene angunafo wo ma omnya scholarship kosuasu angoma ne wo so omye doctors ni nyina koko ntira koko anu ye produce no voter region nyina no wo mo de cross kotogo na kotoni ho enso eba adidi a ompese wo mo na ese bibia ye de ema wo no mo nenu firi ho a amaya no mo she British government ya si bia no yo mo ka brofo no Gold Coast time no na course bia na friend say accountancy na the whole Commonwealth country Canada, New Zealand, South Africa eka ho Jamaica elinkuru nyina omo kan brofuru nyina ya omo she British government asino no omo ye nsohwe the whole Commonwealth countries no na Hong Kong so kan South na Hong Kong she British government yasi enti sa accountancy omo kohie mu no omo ye nsohwe a a friend say chartered accountancy womo a wono a chartered accountant na say professional at say a position na anije sem sa Gold Coast time no Ghana na ne examination e that top Ghana na first ansana Hong Kong aba and this time no na Ghana yen kan kwasiafo ho de se ne ne ebeduru sese yiwo kosi se amemu obani nti ene ne yawie yeni enti yemu se ho se Gold Coast Sam no position na oman wo mu ni na Kwame Nkrumah je ni independence abakosemo a efiri kwasi broni penso 1700 benina shigui ene begina 1957 Kwame Nkrumah edigina ni na gina wono no so se woko Malaysia na se Indonesia woko museum a woma bakosemo no womo primitive days no nyina eho odesen abakosemo ho ansa na womo ne abrofo no behia entokwa omni abrofo no koye eno so abakosem wo ansa na ene modern times so ayeden ewo ho enti mabru no eko museum a anase omo etie history wo mini baabi omufure ekosi baabi ane o beduro inya Kwame Nkrumah independence no sa nyansa semwe no ye hunu bi ene ye shi bibia guye enti Ghana ni bia wote Ghana memo no obusa no se o man no abakosem tesanya ni woni tirimu an se Kwame Nkrumah na gi independence ma yen okay wagi independence ma yen no emfaso be ne yenya na kese ne ohwemu a emfaso yenya ne se ya fi bia no yen ko celebrate yenya independence de busa ho se sa independence no emfaso ben na wo woti awunya ana o man nyina emfaso ben ne yenya and ohwemu a eye felua kasi sa independence na yenya nyina no the whole African countries no ye feli and this ye feli de anan kasi yetna sin Ghana for penny for no trans ne hu say esi ye fa plan B ne yehunu se emfomso aba enti se na esi yeyo bra pandit Nehru ne Indonesia ne Malaysia omo training youth no ene omo ko yanim yamso de yehunu yanse hunu se emfomso aba ya bra boma na se memwo no mu enti ye fa plan B ene tun se de ko manze hwese Mahama wadi nkokon ketenkete ene sanitary pad na sanitary pad yi enkola di gina classroom tojum say we love you for giving us sanitary pad. Thank you. Wamra nanad no was free SHS. Ya bema omano tumpon. Musumon pe yeji me no ebe koso so ye hunu yansa se ya emfumso a ebe koso ni